Dear colleagues, this video is about the introduction of Network Port Socket Communication TCP server. Open the Library Manager and add the network library. Expand the library to see the contained instructions and pin meanings. As a TCP server, PLC needs to use TCP server, TCP connection, TCP read and TCP write for commands. The following 4 instructions are called in the program. The TCP server directive is used to configure server parameters. The IP address and port number of the server are displayed below. IP can be assigned using the move instruction. The TCP connection directive is used to start a server connection. The TCP read command is used to read data. After the enable pin is connected, data can be read all the time. Below is the size of the data to be read and where it will be stored. The TCP write command is used to send data. Each time the enable pin is triggered, data is sent once. Below is the size of the data to be sent and the storage address. Add a blink library to automatically send data periodically. Download the project into PLC. Use the debugging assistant as the TCP client. Map the IP address and port number of the server. Before starting the client connection, you need to start the server connection. The client communicates with the server successfully. Let's look at the actual data sending and receiving situation. About the introduction of Network Port Socket Communication TCP server. That's all. Thank you.